So here we have the file, so you just extract the file. Very easy. So firstly you check here, so this is the other file. So you have to install the system. Before you install the system, you have to turn on the machine. You turn on the machine, so the system is like detecting the machine. So this is my computer, this is the administration. So you go this device management. So you see here, this is the laser machine. So the first one is like updating. This is browse the files in your computer, and I have the computer on. Let me check. I have the computer. This is my. Yeah, this is the file. I think this is the file because I have. Yeah, here is the file. And you check, this is Novecel C5 files. You check here, this is the JCZ driver, the support 64. You check here, this is where you're supposed to click. Then next, it's already installed. Now we go to the file. This is the same file, and you check here, this is the easy cut. So here is the okay, it doesn't matter, cannot open correct file, don't worry about it. So where is it? Here, F3, because you need to find out this is calibration. This file important. Just find this file and open it, confirm. So then you just turn off and turn it on. Now it's okay. Language, so you want to have English. So let me check, where's the language? I think it's here. Here's language. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time. This file, you go to this is the P. You can see here P. So this is here's language. You have English, Korean, Japanese, English. Then go back English, turn it off. Then you open it, like turn it on again. Now you have English. Okay, so if you want to see the red, not data available. And we have the files, because I already made the drawing for iPhone, because most of them they want to take off the back cover, so I made a file especially for back cover. Then we have other files. This is also for iPhone, and for Genie, for Huawei. There are so many different models. A lot of people asking me how many we have, but we have a lot of them. Let's take it like an example for this X Mac. Okay, sorry, I have to let's close it. Then you click again. Now you have it here. Now you see so this is Mark. Okay, in next video, because this is very easy, so here's the speed and also power. You can change it to frequency. This is very easy. So now the software is already installed. Now it's working. The software is working. This part is already done. So next part you probably need to. It's not only with the screen. The screenshot I can explain to you. Capture I cannot explain to you with this. We need another camera. So for this video we're gonna close it now, gonna stop it now, but we can have more videos coming for you guys. Okay, thanks for watching, bye. Now I just want to repeat something, and also introduce you guys something that how to measure the distance. So this is the thing I need to repeat. You have to turn on the machine before you installing the software. So if the machine doesn't turn on, your computer cannot detect the machine, so you cannot install the software. So you need to turn on the machine before the software installation. So this is one thing I just want to repeat. And how to measure the correct distance. As we can see here, our technician has already written the distance, the correct distance, because we need to calibrate the machine before we send it out. So this is the correct distance that we need to set for this machine. Here it says 383. What's the meaning? It means this line, here's the line, this line to the surface. If the surface is, for example, if you want to engraving here, so then you need to check. This is 383, so this is like 6. So I might need to, so here, as we can see here, man, you need to adjust a little bit, make it lower, right? Now this is 383, so you use here, you use this like how you guys call this, like rotating like a roller or something. Use this to adjust the distance. If you change the surface, for example, if you have another distance, for example here, you want to engrave something here or something very thin, then you need to make it even. You gotta make it even. Okay, lower. Make it 383. So now this is the correct distance for the engraving. Okay, I just want to repeat to you guys. So this is the line. This is the surface. So if the surface is higher, you need to make this higher. So different the thickness. So when you want to engrave different thickness, you need to always adjust the distance. Make sure it is 383 or the number, because every machine is different. The machine probably you have a 385 or 345. I don't know, because every machine before we send out, we need to adjust, we need to calibrate. So this is the number you're gonna have for each machine. Each machine has its own distance and its own calibration file. The calibration file is already in the pen drive, the USB disk. So just to make sure, this is their distance and the file is already in the USB pen drive. I think this is everything that I just want to make sure that you understand, and also don't make a mistake on this. And if you have any more questions, you can just let us know or leave a comment or contact the salesman who sold you the machine. And thanks for watching, and bye. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye.